Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to use a vidIQ for keyword research, how to use vidIQ keyword research tool. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So today, we're gonna go ahead and explore the vidIQ keyword research tool. And if you're actually looking on how to grow your YouTube channel, this tool is very perfect for you. So to get started with vidIQ, you'll just need to click the link in the description box below to kickstart your journey in vidIQ for free. Now, before we head on to the step-by-step guide onto how to do that, we'll just do a quick overview first so that we'll know what vidIQ is all about. So this is actually a powerful YouTube certified browser extension or tool and suite of tools designed to help content creators optimize their videos, boost visibility, and also grow their YouTube channel. So these actually provides valuable insights and analytics to enhance your video strategy. So as you can see, here are some of the content creators that uses vidIQs or trust vidIQ. So we have Evan Carmichael, Marina Mogolico, and Chad Wilkley. So as you can see, here are some of its subscribers and their views, and there are also some reviews or their testimonies onto using this specific platform. So in summary, this vidIQ is a comprehensive toolkit for YouTube creators offering insights, optimization suggestions, competitive analysis to help them maximize their reach and success on the platform. So as you can see, they also have an AI coach. So you could unlock your 24/7 AI coaching companion using GPT-4, your YouTube channel, and the ultimate YouTube coach. You could start chatting using that. Also, you could boost your YouTube views. Just discover keyword, title, and description recommendation designed to get you more views and subscribers for free. Now, also with artificial intelligence baked in, you also have here the AI Copilot, wherein it gives you the daily ideas, which gives you personalized inspiration to boost your growth. So these will save you hours researching, see into the future, and break new ground. Now you could also supercharge your YouTube channel today just by signing up for a free account here onto vidIQ and join the millions of creators using vidIQ to grow their channel. Now, as you can see, you can just sign up for free and it is just a straightforward process. You'll have the option in here to sign up using your Google account and just click onto the account that you want to use, or you could just type in an email and password and click on to sign up. So by clicking sign up and Google or sign up with email, you should agree with vidIQ's terms of service and privacy policy for that one. So you could just click onto the specific links in here so that you'll get redirected onto each. Now, personally, I try to use sign up with Google all the time so that I don't have to enter my email and password. I'll just go directly onto my account and I don't need to remember those specific things. Now, right after a quick sign up process or logging in, you should get redirected onto this page or the home page or dashboard of vidIQ. So here, onto the upper part, you should see the logo, the daily ideas, AI generator, keywords, competitors, AI coach, and upgrade button. So here, onto the upgrade, you should be able to see the different plans that vidIQ offers. So we're currently using the free plan, and there are actually two options, the monthly and annual. So the most popular one is Boost, which is $49 per month. We have the one-on-one coaching at $99 per month and the Pro at $10 per month. And as you can see, if you head here onto the bottom part, you should be able to see the different features that it offers. Now going down further, you should be able to see more. And also you could see the enterprise in here. If you want to manage more than 5 channel, you could go ahead and chat with them in here. And you can manage your plan here onto the bottom part. So you'll just need to choose onto which plan you want to use, but we're currently using the basic one, or it is actually showing active in here for that one. Now going back onto the dashboard, here are some of the things that we could see in here. So we could actually see your account settings in here. So if you click onto the drop down, you should be able to see your account. Also some channel settings if you want to add additional channels. So you need to upgrade to Boost so that you could use 3 channels, the extras, wherein you could refer a friend. You could see the vidIQ rewards, the vidIQ Academy, the affiliate center if you're using this. Also, we have here the settings, account settings if you want to change to a theme in here from light theme or dark theme, and the logout button. Now going back here, so since we're just starting out onto our account, you should be able to see a get started option in here so that you should be able to see the step-by-step guide or more like a tutorial on how to use the vidIQ directly. Now, right after, you should be able to see the daily ideas in here. So these are actually the different ideas that will gonna go ahead and generate daily for you, so that you'll have also an idea onto what to add onto your YouTube channel. The monetization tracker, so that you should be able to monitor, track your subscribers and the watch time. The AI title recommendations in here, you'll just need to add some keywords that you want to base your titles on, and the subscribers overview, so that you could go ahead and discover the channels your audience is watching and add them as your competitors. So once you have this, you need to upgrade to Pro or Boost for this one. And if you see already their competitors, if you want to add them, you should be able to see that one in here. So this is where you could track your channel performs against your competitors. So keep track of which competitors have grown their views the most in the given time period, and compare that growth to your own channel. So these are on channel in here, but since we're just starting out and I don't have anything yet onto my channel, so it doesn't have a view yet and no percentage. So you could view more stats in here, and you could also filter the time period for that for last 7 days, 30 days, and all time. And of course, you could also see the chat bot in here, wherein it will help you onto your using of the vidIQ platform. Now, for us to be able to get started onto our keyword research, so we've gone ahead and see already the keywords in here. We'll just have to click onto that one so that we could start searching for keywords. So this is actually the search bar wherein we could go ahead and type in the keywords that we want to see, the overview, and here are some of the top keywords opportunities. So the algorithms identify keywords that are opportunities for your channel. So you could use these keywords as ideas for your video content, and you could always click the manage button on the right to improve and personalize the opportunities that they suggest to you. So here are some of the rising keywords. So you could create a video content around trending topics. So rising keywords tell you the topics that are trending on YouTube and provide inspiration for your video content. So these algorithms identify keywords that are jumping significantly in the search volume. So you have today, which are trending or rising today, this week, and this month. So there might be some that are inaccessible because we're currently just using the free plan. But if you're actually upgraded to Boost or Pro, then there might be some features that are available to you. Now, as you can see, here might be some of the top keywords opportunity and pricing keywords. So this is actually a new feature. And for us to be able to get started, we'll type in something in here or a keyword. Now, for example, we want to learn or we want to add onto the keyword in here, YouTube Shorts. So we're going to go ahead and type in like that and click onto enter. And as you can see, the you could discover the keyword's audience size and how competitive it is. So for YouTube Shorts, the search volume for this one is 695,000, and that is very high. And the competition is also very high for that one. So for this one, the overall score is determined to help gauge how effective this keyword would be on your video optimization effort. And if you have a 1 million plus subscriber channel, you might be able to break into highly competitive search terms. But if you're a smaller channel, it's better to stay focused on the mid-range search terms with low competition. So you could see also related keywords to that one. So here are some of related keywords, the matching terms that it provides, and some of its questions. So as you can see in here, for these questions, there are some here onto the bottom part, or some titles in here that might be helpful for you onto your content creation. So that's just basically it onto using keywords here onto vidIQ. So the vidIQ keyword research tool is very user-friendly and powerful. So this has been simplifying the keyword research process, providing valuable insights for your own content creation. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and up until next time, we'll see you onto our next video.